Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Turbo. I promised you that I would do an update if we actually do see some sort of a structure break, which we had, as you can see on the chart right here. So I wanted to give you my thoughts on the situation for Turbo here. As most of you know, we're going to do a full update on the technicals and also on the fundamentals specifically for Turbo, because I do think those matter, and I do think those are very relevant at the moment. But if you're new, that's what we'll do. All right, we'll start off with the fundamentals and why I think Turbo is interesting, and then we'll talk about the technicals. I do want to do a quick spoiler, and I think with Turbo, more than other cryptos, what's true is that the community is very protective of Turbo, right? And if you don't know, like, the videos I make are realistic. I don't care about Turbo itself. I think Turbo has potential. I think Turbo can certainly rally. But if I think it's bullish, if I think it's bearish, I'll just tell it to you straight, all right? So don't, if I call Turbo a little bit less bullish than what you would like, don't take it personal. Because if I look at Turbo right now, yes, we have broken this downtrend, and that's great. That's certainly bullish, but I would not categorize Turbo right now as bullish, all right? Because what you can see is that yes, we've broken that downtrend, and that could turn into an uptrend here, especially given the market circumstances. But so far, looking at the momentum down here, that is just not great, all right? And Turbo, if there's one thing that's true, if you look at all the other times previously, especially in the last 2 months that it actually was bullish, what you can see is that it gained massive amounts of momentum, all right? So you can see that here, for example, the first move we had right here from 0.5 cents into 0.75 cents, 50% move, started with momentum. Second move right here started with momentum. Last move, a little bit less, but we also had an open interest spike right here, and that is not the case right now. So yes, structurally this looks interesting, but for me there's no short-term reason to buy Turbo. Now there are reasons though why I do think that we can gain that momentum soon. First one being the technicals, all right? Because technically, structurally, we have turned more bullish. So it could very well be that after retesting this level right here at 0.85 and 0.8 cents, which is now our main support level after we reclaimed it, it could very well be that we gain momentum then, and that we actually see the open interest go up. Because if you take a look at the general narrative of AI memes, GOAT has obviously done ridiculously well, right? GOAT right now is up to 75 cents, down a bit, but has rallied a lot since the elections. So the narrative in general of AI agents and AI memes, etc., I do think is strong enough to actually push Turbo up. But if you take a look at the general situation right now for Turbo, I would say we are consolidating, all right? Because we have a very strong resistance level right here at 1 cent, and then a strong support level right here at 0.8 cents. So I would say it's most likely we will consolidate here, and then the main thing to look at is the open interest, right? Do we actually see some sort of a spike in open interest, after which I will try to make a video for you as soon as I can, by the way. But if we get that, then, and this is also the main level I think you need to keep an eye on, then we can break above 1 cent, reject at 1.1, break retest, and get up to the previous all-time highs here. So I think something like this is most likely, so that we will consolidate and then we'll have a bullish breakout. But the bullish breakout is dependent on the development of the open interest, all right? That's what I think you need to know. I think that's, in general, the best analysis of the situation right here for Turbo, and under these circumstances in the market. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.